Hello guys, welcome back to this channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to insert a drawing in Google Docs. Okay, let's get started. Here I have opened my Google Docs and I have prepared my document, and I'm going to insert a drawing in this document, for instance. And if we want to insert drawing, we can go to the insert menu right here. Just tap on the insert menu, and since we want to insert drawing, we can select drawing, and then you are going to select new. Okay, and here you will be able to draw shape, line, arrow, curve, polyline, or scribble. And for example, I'm going to draw scribble. Okay, just like so. And I'm just going to draw like this. And we can customize the color and the line weight, and it's up to you. And I'm just going to leave it like that. And then once you're done drawing, you can click on save and close, and the drawing will be added to your document. As you can see, my drawing has been inserted to my document. Alright guys, and that's all the way to insert a drawing in Google Docs. I hope this tutorial will be useful for you. Thank you so much for watching, and see you in the next video.